Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. If you can hear a baby in the background, that's because there is one. Today I want to show you guys how to style ballet flats. I've been wanting to make this video for like a minute, but I just kept putting it off and I don't know why. So I'm excited to finally do it today. Before we get any further into this video, I want to say thank you so much to CASETiFY for sponsoring this video. You guys already know they're my favorite. You'll never catch me without a CASETiFY phone case. But before that, let's show some outfits first. Okay, so this is actually the first outfit. What you're gonna realize is I like to dress my ballet flats in a bit more of a like androgynous way, a little bit more masculine. Obviously you compare them with just like skirts and dresses in a very like way they're supposed to be worn, but I like them more with like jeans, baggy pants, and kind of like unconventional ways to wear them. So you might think, wow, this girl balls out. She's got the Miu Miu ballet flats. No, they're a straight up knockoff. I can link them down below for you guys. They were $100 off some website. What can I say? I'm a hypocrite. I got them a year ago. I got them right before I went to New York Fashion Week last year. So literally a little bit over a year ago, but they're still available, so I can link them. Just remind me to link them if I don't, because you guys know my brain lately has been. But here's the first outfit. This is more like summer, spring, summer. These Levi's I got off Depop. This is my boyfriend's t-shirts he makes. I don't know if his website's up. And then the little ballet flats, obviously. I feel like if it was a little bit colder out, maybe we could do something crazy and add like the cape. I don't like this cape though with black. I like it with brown, so maybe not. Probably just, you guys know my favorite Izod sweater in the whole world, but I got grease stains on it. I need to get a new one. It's so upsetting. Like, that's so boring, but it's exactly how I would wear it. And I have worn my ballet flats like this, honestly, quite a bit. And then like basket, you know, always makes sense. Oh, and then these ballet flats also come with the little ribbons, but sometimes I like them on, sometimes I don't, which is cool that you can take them on and off like the real pair. Maybe just like super casual with this Orson Iris circle tote. I feel like that's cute. There's outfit number one. Very chill, thrifted Orson Iris. Yay. Let's do the next outfit. Okay, so now we just switched out the pants. And like totally different vibe with the cargos, but I feel like these ballet flats work in a more, do you get what I'm saying? Like not girly way because of the buckles and like having hardware on them. You guys have seen me pair this Stussy cardigan with these Abercrombie cargos 104 times, but I do it because it's cute. I also just love how a cardigan looks with like your graphic tee popping out from under. This one I'd probably do a black bag. Ooh, and the hardware matches. Is that too matchy? Here's look number two. So I love these cargos because they actually like tie at the bottom, and I've shown on my Instagram, I think, me wearing them tied at the bottom with the ribbons, but I also like them with just like a wide look. It's cute and it's fun. It's like, just makes the outfit seem really different than, not really different. Like pairing this with sneakers would be such like a duh, you're gonna pair it with sneakers. And when you just add ballet flats to an outfit, it totally changes it. So let's just keep going. We're gonna run through these. Eyes and ears. Why is that so much better? Do you guys see it? That just totally changed it. Oh, they're so cute, the ribbons. That's so cute. I really like this now. It's making me like the ribbons again. Also, you can wrap the ribbons in the front or like behind your heel, and I don't know why behind the heel. It's like way cuter in the back. So before we get any further in this video, I want to say thank you again to CASETiFY for sponsoring this video. Let's get right into it with the drop test. So right now I have the bounce case on my phone. You can't see it hit the ground, but with the bounce case, with the bounce case on, it's not even scary to drop it. I used to kind of hold my breath every time I would drop my phone for these portions of the video, because you know, when you don't mean to drop your phone, you don't think about it, or you kind of do the gasp, but it's not because you're like anticipating it. And this one's scary to let go, and now I'm just like, I could do it all day. All day. So something I love that CASETiFY has kind of recently come out with are the accessories. Let me get my strap out. Oh wait, this kind of matches my outfit like really well. So they have these little inserts. You can see it kind of through my bounce case. You put it in the case and pop it through the charging outlet, and then you just hook whatever strap you got. They also have like phone charms that are a bit shorter, but I like the longer strap for like actually hands-free. So many of my outfits, you know, like don't have pockets, and you know, walking the dog or like going and running a quick errand, I don't always want to bring like a purse. So this is definitely the way I go with it. CASETiFY is the world's most popular tech accessory brand known for their protective cases and global collaborations. The cases are 20% more protective. They're 5 times the military standard. They're test dropped up to 134 times, and they have a 21.3 feet drop protection. They're trendy and customizable. They have 2,000 plus designs available and customizable options. CASETiFY also has the artist program where they exclusively collaborate with a diverse group of artists. And then CASETiFY also has the CASETiFY program with 51,000 recycled cases. Cases made from 65% recycled material and 20% less carbon emissions. So if you guys want 15% off your CASETiFY phone case, remember you can go to casetify.com/Lainey. Click the link in the description box, 15% off. I can't recommend them enough. These are like my only pants I have that are like boot cut flare, and I don't know why in printed pants I really like that cut, but in like jeans or stuff like that, even black pants I like this cut, but jeans I just do not like it on me. These cheetah pants are from Depop and they're so cute. I guess this is a little bit more of a winter outfit, but you know, spring's sometimes cold, especially in Michigan. I mean, it's literally snowing out today. The black bag just like makes sense with this outfit. It's just like simple and it's cute. I don't know, like when I see people like struggling or, you know, commenting or saying like they struggle to style ballet flats, I think it's like a mental thing because we've been wearing like clunky platform, like thick shoes for a minute now. So now to wear such like a low profile little shoe can be like, it looks like you don't have shoes on almost if you're not used to it. But I was kind of like that, but I would see other people wearing it and I was like, it looks normal on them. And it was just because I wasn't used to wearing such a like smaller profile shoe. But with like the Sambas and like the loafers I have, they're little like skinny shoes. I haven't been wearing like big chunky, no platforms really in a fat minute. So I'm like used to it. I'm used to wearing a more low profile shoe. But also I think in the summertime, I'm so excited to finally have these pants in the summer. I got them last spring and I think I got to wear them once before my belly outgrew them. Like these cheetah print pants, cheetah print is literally just like a neutral to me at this point. I have this cheetah print jacket that I got from Target like in 2018, I think, and it is one of my favorite jackets. Like this is such a cool look. Like I love cheetah print anything, and I'm so happy I found these pants and that they still fit. It looks cute with the graphic. What can I say? Okay, next. So I literally just wore this outfit in another video, but with loafers, and it's just like, it's so perfect. These jeans I've talked about, they're Route 66. Little boys, I thrifted them, and they're my ideal fit jeans. Just unflattering. This little top is from Revolve, but it's old. And then obviously the ballet flats. I paired this with loafers in my last video, and I feel like if you're struggling again, like you don't know when to incorporate the ballet flat, anytime you're putting on a loafer, think like, oh, I could wear this with a ballet flat. Basically that's that. It adds like a different look to it, so I feel like we could prep it up again. Like I wore the headband with it in my last video, like super cute. This basket, again, I can't remember if I got it off eBay or Etsy. I want to say eBay, but I think I found one on Etsy for you guys. I love it with anything. This outfit's so stinking cute. Adorable. A little more dressed up and a little bit more girly, but like the jeans make it, you know, still my style. Let's keep going. Okay, so we've got these like super baggy shorts on. They're not super baggy. These baggier shorts on that I thrifted. What? Want a pacifier? He's got to take your brother potty real quick, okay? Peekaboo. Okay, so with this look, I've worn these ballet flats before with just these little shorts, but with that white top that I had on before. And for more springy, I feel like a sweater would work. So this is kind of like how I styled in my last video. I did a sweater, these shorts, and then loafers and little black socks. So let's just do ballet flats and these little black socks. Let me know what you guys think. If you like them with black socks or better without. Like, would the ribbons help? Let's try the ribbons. I wanted it more chill, but maybe I'm not chill. I think with the ribbons and the socks, it's like a little much too much going on with this outfit because this outfit's pretty like bland over here. Maybe do ribbons, no socks. Okay, and here's the final outfit. So we've got the Peachy Den Mimi's Vivienne Westwood cardigan, and then I kept the ribbons on, but they're like kind of hidden. It's like I wish my legs were just a little bit longer so they would show. It's cute, it's fun, and it's definitely a different outfit. I feel like I grabbed the basket and it's like it never matches. The fact that it doesn't match is why it works in my head. Like no purse, because I don't want to do black right on the blue. I like black and blue, just like not, that one doesn't look good. I like the basket, you guys. No, I like the basket. I don't care if you don't like the basket, I like the basket. So that's the final outfit. Very cute. I feel crazy with my belly out. I haven't had this much of my belly out probably since I was 6 months pregnant. It's cute though, like this looks cute. I like it. It's weird, but I like it. I don't know why I'm justifying it. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I know it's kind of quick, but I've been putting outfits together before I start filming so I can film as quickly as possible. Yeah, once we're in a house, I'll be able to have a lot more time to film, because right now I've got like an hour, and I know that seems like a lot, but videos take me forever to film. So there's that. Thank you again to CASETiFY for sponsoring this video. Remember to click the link in the description box or go to CASETiFY.com/Lainey for 15% off your CASETiFY phone case. And that's it. I'll see you guys in a few days. I love you the absolute most. Bye.